starting things off with the underrated ZSPC, which barely anyone pays attention to. They introduced the Imagine Learning solution, an AR/VR laptop system designed for elementary learners. The all-in-one solution doesn't require glasses and is headset-free, yet provides an interactive experience. It also offers engaging applications covering essential subjects such as math, science, language arts, and more, in addition to activities for career exploration that align with elementary-level learning standards. Professional development is provided to educators to help them integrate this tool into their classrooms. Now over to Coinbase, which introduced a new service enabling U.S. customers, excluding New York, to borrow USD Coin (USDC) against their Bitcoin holdings. The loans are provided instantly in USDC with flexible repayment options and competitive interest rates powered by Morpho, an open-source lending protocol on Coinbase's Layer 2 blockchain base. Users can borrow up to $100,000 USD, depending on the amount of Bitcoin they pledge as collateral, with no fixed repayment schedule. As for FFIE, they got a marketing boost when Luke Hans, a prominent entrepreneur in the Los Angeles Chinese community, received the first delivery of an FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance EV in 2025. Hans is a successful businessman with ventures in real estate, oil, and pharmaceutical industries across China, Canada, and the US. His partnership with FF is anticipated to strengthen the company's outreach and engagement with influential communities. Next, GAUZ unveiled its latest suspended particle device, SPD, smart glass technology at CES 2025. The company's first-ever black SPD smart glass has a distinguishable black appearance and was developed to meet the demand for dark and neutral-colored dimmable glass that enhances design while supporting visual and thermal comfort in the automotive, aviation, and architecture industries. GAUZ expects the product to be available for commercial orders and serial production in the future. Then KULR announced a license deal to develop carbon fiber cathode applications for nuclear reactor systems in Japan. The partnership will focus on small modular reactors and laser-based nuclear fusion technologies, aiming to provide structural stability, increase heat dissipation, and improve safety in nuclear energy applications. Carbon fiber-based materials are expected to advance nuclear reactor cathode and thermal interface materials, catering to the global demand for power that is estimated to increase by 75% by 2050. For more on KULR and these other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.